see my daughter. I've been calling you since you're not picking. Where is my daughter?
Can you just calm down?
Calm down.
Hey, okay,
You're telling me to calm down.
Can you calm down, please?
Oh my God.
Where's my daughter? I said I want to see my daughter. Where's my daughter? Where's my daughter? Hey! Calm down on the floor here. You're telling me to calm. I said I want to see my daughter.
What is wrong with you? Calm down. Don't you know my husband is at home?
Who is making that stupid noise in my house? What's happening? What's happening here now?
God have mercy upon us.
Who is he?
Okay.
I said, who is this man in my house?
Jamaican Bobo. Come this way.
One man.
What are you doing? Where's my daughter?
One man
What kind of
picking.
nonsense is all this?
It is smoky.
Even if you want to see your daughter, must it be in my house? Don't you have a sense of human in your head? Are you forgetting she's already married? She's not married. Whatever two of you has been ended for years. What kind of nonsense is all this?
Child.
That's what you brought to me.
There is God. Oh.
What's all this? Is someone smelling alcohol?
Jesus!
You put a drunk guy in my house? What kind of nonsense is all this?